Hello students, welcome to my channel Rishit Academy. So now in this video I am continuing with the remaining problems of your locus chapter, right? So question number 4. Find the equation of a locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Means we need to find the set of all points which are equidistant from the coordinate axis. Here if you observe, this is the x-axis and y-axis and all these points. So see, this particular point and this so on will be having n number of points which are equidistant from x-axis as well as from y-axis. So all these points are equidistant from x-axis and y-axis, right? So set of all such points collection is nothing but locus, right? We need to find the equation of this line. Okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll take one point on this locus. Okay, so I'll name it as p x1 comma y1, right? And corresponding to this what are the points on the x-axis? x1 comma 0, on x-axis y will be 0, and similarly on y-axis corresponding to this the points will be 0 comma y1, right? So I'll name this as a and this as b. Okay, so now I'll solve the problem. See here, what are the, so first step is we need to assume let p x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus, right? We need to assume a point on the locus. Then next step is what are the given points here? So the given points are a x1 comma 0 and b 0 comma y1, right? Now the third step is the condition. So what is the condition it should satisfy? It says that these points are equidistant from, right, a and b, means AP will be equal to BP. This is the given condition. Okay, so we need to use this condition to find the equation of the locus, right? So AP means you already know distance from A to P. So first what I will do, I will do squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. So this will become AP square is equal to BP square. Okay. So now we'll substitute the formula of distance between 2 points, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right. So what are AB points here? See, A is x1 comma 0 and P is x1 y1. So we'll substitute those values here. So this will become x1 minus x1 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, isn't it? Similarly, now BP square, right hand side, same formula. So this time 0 minus y1 and P points are x1 y1, that is x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus y1 whole square. Okay, square, isn't it? Square of this as well as square of this. So this square and root gets cancelled here also. So what I am left with, see, only x1 minus x1 is 0 square plus y1 minus 0 square is only y1 square is equal to right hand side x1 square. So here 0 square. So this will become y1 square is equal to x1 square. So now what I'll do, I'll bring all at one place, left hand side or right hand side, x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 0. So but this equation is for only one point that we assume, right? But when what is the general equation of locus? Equation of locus is nothing but replace this x1 by x, that is x square, minus similarly y1 by y. square is equal to 0. This is the equation of locus of this particular equation. Okay.
Now we'll see the next problem. Problem number 5. Find the equation of locus of a point equidistant from 2, 0 and the y-axis. Say equidistance from 2, 0 and the y-axis. It is similar to the problem which we did, the previous one, fourth question. The only difference is here they said equidistance from coordinate axis in fourth question, but here he is saying equidistance from 2, 0 one point is given and the y-axis means, see in the picture, if you observe, this is x-axis, y-axis, and see here the point I am assuming that one point P on the locus has x1 comma y1 and the distance from A 2 comma 0 will be equal to distance from B to P, that is 0 comma y1. The corresponding point on the y-axis, he is saying on the y-axis is obviously 0 comma y1, right? So the first step is, we'll assume a point P x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus, right? Then second step would be same, the given points, right? What are the given points? A is 2 comma 0 and B is 0 comma minus 1. Okay, now the condition, what is the condition that it should satisfy here? The condition he gave is the distance from A to P will be equal to the distance from B to P, right? So now we'll find the distance between these 2 points. Before that, what I'll do squaring on both sides so that the square and root gets cancelled, right? So then what I'll get here, AP square is equal to BP square. Okay, so what is AP square? Distance between A to P points. See, A point is 2 comma 0 and P point is x1 comma y1. So what we'll write here, x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. This is AP square formula. And similarly now BP square means, see here, B is y0 comma y1 and P is x1 comma y1. So apply the same formula here. So you will get x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus again y1 whole square, right? So what I will do, I should square this, right? Square on the both sides. What happens then? The square root gets cancelled. Here also square and root gets cancelled. And what I am left with? See here, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab, that is 4x1, plus b square is 2 square is 4. Then y1 minus 0 square is y1 square only, that is equal to right hand side x1 minus 0 is x1 square only, right? Then y1 minus y1 is 0, right? So if you bring all the terms on one side, what happens? See this plus x1 square and this plus x1 square gets cancelled. So what I am left with? Only y1 square. Then minus 4x1 plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of locus, but for only one point, that is P x1 comma y1, right? So therefore, what is the equation of locus for this? So equation of locus is, see, replace the x1 with x and y1 with y, that's it. So this will become y square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. That's it. So this is the equation of the locus, right? Okay students, now we'll do the next problem, that is question number 6. So here, find the equation of locus of a point P, comma, the square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times its y coordinate. So first of all, in the solution, if you see, so first we'll assume let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus. Then what is the given points here? Given points are only one point, that is origin 0 comma 0. So condition here, the condition is important. See, we'll write step by step. See here, the condition is distance from the origin to this point P, means O to P, the square of whose distance, means the square of this distance is means equal to 4 times its y coordinate. What is the y coordinate in this point? Y1. So that is the condition, means square of the distance from origin to that point is equal to 4 times its y coordinate. That's it. So OP square, OP, the distance from origin to the locus point. Okay, so now we know the formula x2 minus x1 whole square, that is x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, that will be equal to 4 times of its y coordinate. So if you expand this, x1 minus 0 is only x1 square plus y1 minus 0 whole square is only y1 square is equal to 4y1. So if you bring that y1 left hand side, what happens? x1 square plus y1 square minus 4y1 is equal to 0. But this is the equation of locus for only one point. So what will be the actual equation of locus for this point? Equation of locus, simply replacing x1 by x and y1 by y. So that is the final equation will be x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. That's it. It's very simple problem. In 2-3 steps we can complete this problem, right? Okay. Now we'll do the next problem, question number 7. See, the question is, find the equation of locus P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square, where A is equal to A comma 0 and B is equal to minus A comma 0 and A lies between 0 and C, right? So here they gave condition and also the points. Right, so first step is same as usual what we did for all the previous problems. The first step, very first step will be let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus, right? We will assume one point on the locus, right? Then second step would be the given points. So what are the given points here? The points are A is A comma 0 and B is minus A comma 0. Right. So now the condition which this point should satisfy. Right. So what is that condition? PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square. Okay. Now we know PA square, the distance between P to A. So again same formula, x2 minus x1 directly I am applying here. So this will become x1 minus A whole square plus P y2 minus y1 here, y1 minus 0 whole square, right? So plus PB square now. Point PB square is same. Here also this will become x1 minus of minus plus A whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to 2C square. Okay. Now here we should square this and here also square. The square and roots gets cancelled and what we are left with, x1 minus A whole square. This is in the form of A minus B whole square. When I expand this, then this will become A square minus 2A is x1 and A plus B square is A square. Here y1 minus 0 is only y1 plus this is also A plus B whole square format lo undi. So now we should make use of that formula. So A square, that is x1 square plus 2AB, 2A is x1A plus b square is a square plus this one y1 minus 0 is y1 square. That's it, equal to 2c square. Now we'll add the like terms. Here x1 square is there and here also x1 square, both have plus signs, so I'll get 2 times of x1 square minus 2x1a and plus 2x1a will get cancelled. So what I am left with, then I'll write in order, then comes y1 square and here also y1 square, right? Sorry, here y1 square, na, right? y1 square plus y1 square is total 2 times of y1 square. Then comes a square plus a square. How many a squares are there? 2a squares. Okay, so 2a squares is equal to 2c square. Now if you see here, all have 2 common, right, on left hand side. So this will become x1 square plus y1 square plus a square, right? I am taking 2 common from this. That will be equal to 2c square, and this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Okay, so what I am left with, only x terms, y terms I'll keep one side and I'll take this a square right hand side. Why? Because that is a constant. So this will become x1 square plus y1 square is equal to c square minus a square. So this is the equation of locus for a single point x1 comma y1. Therefore, what is the locus equation? For this one, it will become, replace x1 by x, that is x square, y1 by y, that is y square, equal to c square minus a square is the actual equation of locus for this particular problem. Okay, so with this we have completed our first bit in exercise 1a. In my next video, I will be continuing with the second bit, all problems. Okay, until then, goodbye, take care, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.